welcome to Sarah's Stampin' Retreat. Today we're going to create a gift bag and we're just going to decorate it with these little stars from the Tidings and Trimmings stamp set. It's a really lovely stamp set that I'm going to do a 5 ways with video soon, and I'm also just going to use these 2 dies from the coordinating Christmas trimmings dies. So I'm going to start off with an 11.5 by 7.5 inch piece of Night of Navy cardstock. And I'm just going to stamp all over that. I've got both of those stars, so I've got the outline star and the star that you would usually put inside that together on here. And I'm just going to create a little pattern all the way over my cardstock with that. I'm just making sure that I turn it round and have a bit of a random pattern. So now I've got the stars all over. You'll see I've got a few little mistakes there as well, but that's fine, I'm not too worried about that. I think what I'll do is I'll see where they end up when we finish the bag, and if they end up somewhere where it's really obvious, then I'll do something to cover them. Then I'm going to score this at 0.5, at 2, at 5.5 and at 7. And I'm going to turn it round and I'm going to score it at 1.5, at 5.75 and at 7.25. Then let's score all of those fold lines. So I'm going to hold it like this so that it's smaller panels at the top, and I'm just going to cut not this line here but this line here up to here. So that's up to that first big score line, and then I'm going to cut that across. And then I'm going to do the same on this side, so I'm going to cut up here. So that's the second score line in from the edge. I'm cutting up to the first score line, and I'm going to cut across. And then this next one, I'm going to cut about 1 centimetre away from that fold line. So I'm just cutting up there, and then I'm going to cut down the next score line all the way to that central panel. So then I've created a flap here. So let's do that again on this side. So I'm going to cut about 1 centimetre away from this second score line, and then I'm going to cut this way at the next score line. So then I've got a little flap either side there, and then I also just want to cut just along here. So then I'm cutting past the first score line to the second score line, and I'm cutting along that score line, and then again I'm cutting just up to the second score line and then cutting that piece off. So you're going to end up with a piece that looks like this. And what I'm going to do quickly is I'm just going to take this triple corner punch and I'm just going to pop that in here, and I'm just going to use the corner punch. So it's this one that I've used just to trim the corners on that top flap. So that's that one. So then I've got 2 end flaps on each side here. And I'm just going to take a triangle off the side of each one. I'm just going up to the first score line. I'm doing that on both sides. So then I'm just going to take my tear and tape, and I'm going to put a bit on each flap. And I'm just going to take the backing off the tape, Just on these small flaps first. And then I'm just going to fold it up like that so that the score line meets the edge next to it. And then I'm going to just take the tape off these. I just want to make sure this is really nice and square when I pop it down, so I'm just going to make sure that those line up right along the score lines. And then I'm just going to use my fingers just to guide that in, and I'm just going to pinch the top there, so that then this top piece will come over like this and you've got kind of a little box bag type thing. So then I've just used these 2 dies, and I've cut the detail one from gold foil sheet, and I've cut the solid one from very vanilla cardstock. And then I'm going to take some of this shimmer ribbon and I'm going to put some tape just along this back piece. Just like that. And then I'm just going to pop my piece of ribbon along there, and I'm going to fold this over. And I'm going to bring it, I'm only attaching it at the back so that it can be undone and done back up again. And then what I'm going to do is just glue this gold detail piece onto the very vanilla piece. And then I'm just going to pop a little piece of tape just at the top of the star. And the reason that I'm doing that is I only want it to stick to the top flap, so then I can kind of undo my ribbon and pop the flap up and put my goodies inside and do it back up again. I'm not going to ruin my bag doing it. And there is my completed little bag. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's project. If you did, I'd appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future projects. If you press the bell button and select all, YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that we've used to create today's bag are listed in the description below, and there's also a host code there. So if you pop the host code into your basket before you check out, then I'll send you a free gift after the end of the month. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope to see you again soon.